Welcome back to the channel where we explore cutting-edge technology shaping our world. Today, we delve into the latest revelations surrounding DJI's highly anticipated flagship drone, the Mavic 4 Pro. With leaks and insider reports fueling excitement, this drone promises to redefine the landscape of aerial photography and innovation. Recent FCC filings have unveiled two models under the codenames L3A and L3B, hinting at an imminent release. These designations have sparked widespread speculation about differences between the variants. One standout revelation from the FCC documents is the upgraded battery system. With a 6,654 mAh battery, the Mavic 4 Pro surpasses the 5,000 mAh capacity of its predecessor. This improvement translates to longer flight times and enhanced energy efficiency, vital for professionals capturing extended sequences and hobbyists eager for prolonged exploration. Industry insiders speculate this could mark the debut of a multi-sensor system, possibly incorporating advanced AI-driven scene recognition and stabilization. Imagine capturing cinematic quality footage with unparalleled detail and clarity, a dream come true for filmmakers and photographers. The rumored new camera system may also enable groundbreaking shooting modes and improved low-light performance. DJI has always been at the forefront of integrating intelligent features into its drones. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to take this further with AI-powered flight modes, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and superior tracking capabilities. Imagine a drone that intuitively understands its surroundings, avoiding obstacles in real time while maintaining focus on your subject. This level of automation could make the Mavic 4 Pro a go-to device for capturing dynamic scenes with precision. Additionally, reports hint at improved gimbal systems and optimized propeller designs, promising smoother flight dynamics and stability. For instance, the Mavic 4 Pro might feature cutting-edge tools for professionals, such as higher-resolution cameras and advanced stabilization. The upgraded 6,654 mAh battery isn't just about extended flight times. It's a testament to DJI's commitment to reliability and performance. Moreover, the FCC filing reveals a 95.3 Wh capacity at 14.32 volts, indicating a robust design engineered for efficiency. The rumored spherical camera module could redefine aerial imaging. Advanced multi-sensor systems, coupled with AI, may enable features like real-time subject tracking, enhanced stabilization, and adaptive exposure settings. Stay tuned for more updates as we uncover additional details about the Mavic 4 Pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the latest news on groundbreaking tech developments.